Hey, how's it going? In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a new playlist to your website. Now, we can always do this for you, but if you wanted to learn how to do this, this is the video for you. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the site and create a section to add these videos to. Now, I'm going to do this on the home page here, so I'm going to copy this row and I'm going to paste it right here to duplicate it. You'll see the duplicated row right here. And I'm going to change this to videos. Featured videos. Now I'm going to remove this widget. It's not something that I want. And I'm going to go and look for the YouTube feed widget. So it's under widgets. You'll go here and put in feed, and you'll see the YouTube widget with a little play icon. I'm going to drag that into the area. And by default, you'll see that you have our Liftoff agent YouTube channel feeding in. And so when you add this new feed in here, you'll see this menu pop up. First thing you want to do is you don't want to touch the API key. You want to leave that alone. You want to change the channel ID. And how to find the channel ID, the easiest way is if you're logged in, all you need to do is go to YouTube Studio and you'll see the channel ID after the word channel /. So you want to grab everything after the / there. You don't want to grab the / and paste that in here. Just like that. If you aren't logged in or if you don't have access, your YouTube channel may look something like this. This is not a channel ID if you see an @ symbol. You want to make sure that it has the word channel and then some random numbers and letters. So if you do see this, there is still a way to grab that channel ID without knowing it. What I like to do is go into Google and do a YouTube channel ID finder. You'll go to one of these websites. This one's Comment Picker. And I'm going to paste in the full URL of the channel here. This is called the vanity URL. And I'm going to do the little CAPTCHA thing and get channel ID. And it will spit out what that channel ID is for that channel. You can then take that and put it right into the channel ID there. Let's just do that there. So you'll now see that the real estate versus technology, this is changed because I used the channel ID for RE versus tech. The next setting is playlists. This by default shows you all of the playlists here, and you can tab through your different playlists, which is really nice. However, if you want to feature only one playlist, like let's say we were on the buy page and you had a specific playlist for buyers, you would want to turn this all playlist off and find the playlist ID. So what you would do is go into your playlists, find the quote-unquote buyer playlist, open it up, you'll get to this menu, and this is your playlist ID. Everything after list equals, it should start with a PL, and that's your playlist ID you want to paste right into here. Once that's in, you'll notice automatically all of that playlist is showing here. The order in which it shows is dependent on the order in which it's laid out on the playlist itself here. So if you want to change the order on the website, you need to change the order on the playlist here. Then you can change how many show on a page. Right now there's 9 and then there's pagination. I want to bring that just down to 3. And then you'll see that all of the rest of the videos get put in the pagination because I have 50 in queue. That means most of them. If I don't want this pagination, I'm going to change that max video count to 3, and it won't show that. There won't be another page. Or you can do the latest 6. Or you can max this out so you can show all the videos with all the numbers there. The last thing you can do is either show or hide this header here. So this little button will hide that section so it only shows the videos. Otherwise, it'll show the header with your name, a little bit of the verbiage, all there. There are a few things that you can do in terms of styling. All of the text, you can go to the design tab and change up the text where things are. You can align different things up here. But for the most part, 90% of the time, this should do it for you. If you have some custom styling you want to do, let us know. We can tackle that. But this is how to tie in your playlists to the specific pages on your site. Now, if you're building multiple of these, you don't want to do this every single time. So the easiest way to do that is to copy the rows. So let's say I was building this on the buy page to pull in buyer videos. I'm going to go to row, hit copy. I'm going to navigate over to the buy page. I'm going to scroll down to where I want this video. I'm going to paste it right there. And you can paste it by hitting another row area and hitting paste. That'll pull this in. And now all I need to do is just rename this. Go find the next playlist that I want, which is here. Get the playlist ID. Go back to the site and just change up the playlist ID right there. That's all I have to do. So that's how you would add playlists quickly to the pages. The last thing that you may run into is you want to add playlists to a specific city, and each city has a specific playlist. However, our cities are a what's called a dynamic city page. And so what you'll need to do is let us know that you're adding playlists, or you have playlists for every city, and that you want to add to the site. And we will create what's called an Airtable for you to be able to add in those playlists to a table. So city pages work a little bit differently. Everywhere else you can do exactly and follow this video. If you're working on city pages, just let us know. We'll set it all that up for you, and you can then fill that in a slightly different format. So cool, thanks. Let us know if you have questions, but that's how you add playlists to your website.